Hey, this is Castro from Monsters, usually doing food content, but today I'm going to give you my top 5 tips on how to travel on a train whilst in Tokyo. Now, there are a lot of videos out there on YouTube talking about this subject, but I'm going to really break it down to you when you're actually physically going to catch the train, on what platform, on what time. It can get very complicated. I'm going to concentrate on using Google Maps and how useful it could really be. And also, I'm going to help my peoples out. Let's do this. So here are my top 5 tips. Number 1, check the primary line / platform, because sometimes the platform is not shown and sometimes it is. I'll get to that in a little bit. Once you've done that, number 2 is check the time. Make sure the time is matching on the platform with the one on your phone. Number 3 is check the secondary line, i.e. the end destination. So where is the last stop that this train is going to? For example, Fuchihomachi, or is it Tokyo Station? Number 4 is express or semi-express or limited. It should have a different color and it should be labeled nice and clearly for you. Number 5 is getting out, and this is where the pickle happens, especially getting out in Shibuya. Using the map for exit numbers and cardinal directions, north, south, east and west. You gotta be real familiar with this, looking constantly down at your phone and looking up and seeing where is your exit. Alright, so right now I'm at Nishikokubunji. I'm going to Shibuya. I have to change, but I know here I got the time. Oh, see, it changes back to Japanese real quickly, so check it out. You have to wait for English. So I got the time, I got where it's going, so Tokyo, and then I've got, I can't even remember, I have to wait till it gets back to English, so it's 10 something. Oh, here we go. Yeah, it's got 10 cars, so you don't really have to know about that. Also, I've got rapid or semi-express or express or whatever. If you check it on your maps, on your phone, it should all line up, and if it doesn't, check it again. Number 3, the secondary line or the end destination is also very important, because you could have 2 different trains on that same platform, on the same line, but going to 2 different destinations, i.e. different routes. So this is just where I got off. Platform 7 was the Shino line, and I gotta get to platform 1. I know that because I have the Google Maps. So now another platform. My job is really easy. Thank you Google Maps, because all I gotta do now is match the time. I already know it's Saikyo line. Just catch the right time. Crucial part of getting out of Shibuya, this is where you pay attention. So they have this helpful little map here. I feel like each time I come here it gets more and more helpful. If you want to get off where the Shibuya crossing is, it's HACHIKO GATE. So Hachiko is the name of that dog, and they've got like a statue there and that. So if you want to get off at that exit, it's HACHIKO exit. I checked it on my map, so all I gotta do is look up. Crucial biblical law, look up. Don't look down and text your boyfriend, don't text your girlfriend, don't text your friend. Alright, we're looking up at the signs and just follow it. If all this is really confusing, guys, don't be ashamed just to ask for help. Just go to information. I do it almost every time I head downtown, and just do it. It's definitely a really good option. So that's how you get to Shibuya here in Hachiko exit. I mean, where else would you want to get out? There's a bit more explanation about that. Central, north exits on different levels, but hey, if you want to just get to here, Hachiko exit, look up, don't look down. Those are my 5 tips for getting here. Hope you like it. If you did, like, subscribe. I got heaps of really yummy food stuff here in Japan. If you want to check it out, it's right here. See you soon.